Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome Halloween tree completely out of cardstock. And don't worry, you don't need a ton of skill for this project, just a bit of patience. Step 1 is always sketching out the kind of tree you want. You can draw it first on paper. You can grab many papers that you have at home and tape them together so you can figure it out how tall you want your tree and how wide you want your tree. And with this big piece of paper, you can start sketching and drawing. Or you can do like I did with chalk directly on your wall. Just check first if it's gonna come out with a wet cloth. And if it doesn't stain your wall, you can do the way I'm doing in this video. After the sketch of my tree is done, I take this sheet of cardstock and I lightly trace the outline with a lighter sheet of chalk, making sure the line is slightly larger than the shape of the tree. This helps me cut around the edge easily and the chalk comes out without any trouble. To secure it on the wall, you can use loops of tape, irregular tape, or masking tape if you want to. Just prefer something gentle that won't damage your paint, unless that's a wall that you already want to paint over, so in this case you can use hot glue. Start with the largest pieces of cardstock for the tree's main trunk and the bigger branches. And don't forget to overlap the new sheets of cardstock that you're putting on so it will seem more like blend together, like one full tree, not many pieces. If you enjoy watching videos like this, please consider liking and also subscribing to the channel. It helps me a lot. This way YouTube understands that more people would love to learn the things that I teach, and also I would love to see all your creations and your full Halloween decoration. You can send me or tag me on any of the social medias. They're all linked here in the description, and I would be very happy to have you there too. For the smaller branches, I use the smaller scraps of cardstock, and don't worry about having to make it exactly like your sketch. Remember that this is just a general guide for your tree's shape. Don't worry, I told you, this is all about patience. We have plenty of tutorials here on the channel, not just for Halloween, but for many other things as well. I create and give you guys free templates for other projects that you can find on my website, thecraftymind.contact. There you can find all the templates available. And who knows, maybe your next project is already there, just waiting for you to find it. I leave the end of the branches without any tape. I do not glue them. I think it gives a nice touch. Tell me in the comments what do you think and how you would make it. What would you do differently from what I did? I really like when you guys leave tips. I learn as much from you as you learn from me. After you're done, if you still see chalk on the cardstock or on the wall, gently wipe it away with a slightly damp cloth. It's gonna come out easily, and that's why we use a light color of chalk. Chalk, I really hate that word, oh my god. But other than the word being hard to pronounce, it's easy to remove and gives a clean final result. If the corners that are connecting need a little extra support, use tiny bits of hot glue between them, but be very careful to never apply hot glue directly on your wall, please. And now comes the fun part, decorating our tree. Now use your imagination. Cut out paper pumpkins, bats, or ghosts and attach them to the branches on the side of the tree. You can also hang small lights and place things on the base of the tree. Customize the decoration to make your tree as spooky or as cute as you'd like. I really hope you liked it. It's very simple but very achievable. And all the decorations you see, I made a video teaching you how to do it. So give it a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!